Welcome back to Coinsy Weld. In this channel, you guys are on a journey with me on how I'm going to become a pipe welder. I appreciate you guys, and don't forget to hit that like and smash that subscribe. Okay, so today we got ourselves a little wave cap. We're going to, try out, and we have a pancake hood. We just ordered a pancake hood. We're going to try it out. We're going to unbox it and review it. A lot of pipe welders have these, and I could see why you can have it. And you have the little piece of wood to cover your face from the sun, that way you don't get backflash from the auto darkening. And yeah, man, mine is from the Pancake Factory LC. You could see the little wood piece I was talking about. Then you could open the side of it with that little screw thing, so you can get to the lens. You have a clear lens only, and other than that, it doesn't come with any other lens. I went and I asked my instructor to let me borrow or let me have or buy off of him a single shade, and he did. Let me get a shade number 9. And yeah, it doesn't come with the lens, so keep that in mind. It's fairly simple. It has like a stretch kind of mechanism in the back, so you could keep it attached to your head. The pancake hood, it has a really cool fit. It has a really nice design. You can get up and close and personal. Doesn't really bother you. Even with a shade 9, it wasn't too bad. It was pretty cool, pretty clear. Also, have you guys ever seen a golden lens? My instructor showed me his, and it looked really awesome. I'm wondering, has anybody seen one? Okay, so here I'm putting my lenses on. I put my shade 9 with my clear lens. I go ahead and I screw it. And now this is what the pancake hood looks like with the shade 9. Then I go ahead and I put it on. I have my workpiece prepped, and I'm gonna get to work. Or I'm observing it, and I strike my arc, and whoa, man, it's so nice, so clear, super beautiful. Appreciate the pancake hood. Don't forget, hit the like, smash the subscribe. Coinsy Welds. Stay tuned for the next videos.